Did you know the murder of one woman marked the end of ancient learning forever? In 415 CE, Hypatia was the last great scholar of Alexandria's legendary library. She taught mathematics and astronomy to packed lecture halls, her brilliance drawing students from across the empire. But Bishop Cyril saw her influence as a dangerous threat to Christian authority. Her teachings of reason and logic challenged the growing power of the church. The tension escalated for months as Cyril preached against her pagan wisdom. Then one March morning, a Christian mob surrounded her chariot as she traveled through the city. They dragged her from the vehicle and stripped her naked in the street. Using sharp oyster shells, they slowly flayed the skin from her body while she was still alive. Her screams echoed through Alexandria as centuries of knowledge died with her. The library fell into ruin, its scrolls burned or scattered. With Hypatia's death, the light of ancient learning was extinguished. The Dark Ages had begun.